Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. So this is Louisiana chicken fry batter mix, and it is one of my favorite batter mixes to make chicken. But I had some cauliflower and I thought, I wonder if I fixed up this cauliflower the way I would some chicken and I fry it up, I bet you it would taste good, and it really came out great. So I have a medium size, kind of a good size cauliflower, and I just cut it all up into bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to forewarn you that some of my pieces were kind of big, and I think smaller pieces work better because it just allows all the batter to adhere better. So here's my batter mix. So you're going to use about half of the package for, you need a wet side and a dry side of this batter mix. So here's the wet side. I have the batter mix, and to this, I ended up adding some water. And the amount, you kind of have to work with it. I started off with like a quarter cup, then I mixed it up, and then I added a little bit more until it became kind of a loose pancake batter, sort of like this. And then I started just putting my cauliflower pieces in here, and I mixed it up. Now, basically, you just want to wet them in the batter. And then to the side, I had a plate, and I added some dry batter mix, and I started putting the wet into the dry, coating it, just basically getting all my pieces coated. And then off to the side, I have some hot oil, like a canola or a vegetable oil. You can use those too. And I had it on a medium heat, and I just started frying these, and they really came out good. They took about 5 to 7 minutes to completely kind of start getting a little browned, and you just kind of mix them, flip them as you go along. This batter mix is very, very tasty. So basically, this is the way they ended up. Really, really nice, very tasty. And that batter mix is so good. You can really use any batter mix that you like if you're not into this one. It has a little bit of a spiciness, very subtle. And you can dip them in some ranch dressing, or you could dip them in barbecue sauce, or really anything you like if you like ketchup. So these are fried cauliflower, and they have a chicken batter on the outside. They were very, very tasty. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell in the corner to see all my recipes, and I will see you next time.